Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we will delve into the intricacies of BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, and now we are here to present an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 25th of April, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.76. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.13%. This equates to an average return of 0.57% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently rests within the confines of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 47.83% over the coming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 100% to negative 18.39%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 53.82%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 6.16% and 353.22% over the next year. This would place the future price between $3.79 and $16.18. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, High Volatility in BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Monday, which ended trading at $3.57. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price gained 1.13% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, rising from $3.53 to $3.57. It has now gained for 5 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a short break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 12.13%, with a day low of $3.38 and a day high of $3.79. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 27.5% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 29 million shares, with a total of 96 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $342,052,000. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $10.35, while the lowest price was $1.17. Currently, the price is 65.51% or $6.78 below the 52-week high, and 77.85% or $12.55 below the all-time high reached on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. Investors in BigBear.ai Holdings Incorporated, trading under the symbol BBAI, are currently facing a wave of legal developments following a class action lawsuit concerning potential securities fraud. Published today, multiple announcements detail that shareholders who experienced losses during the period from March 31, 2022 to March 25, 2025 may join the suit, with a deadline for lead plaintiffs set for June 10, 2025. Various law firms, including Levi and Korzinski and the Shao law firm, are reaching out to affected investors, indicating significant interest in pursuing legal recourse. The presence of these lawsuits suggests that investors are alleging that BBAI engaged in misleading practices, which could lead to substantial financial implications for the company. In the short term, this could manifest as increased volatility in BBAI's stock price as potential news of the lawsuits captures market attention. Investors may react to the mounting legal pressures through sell-offs, which could drive the share price down. In the long term, the outcomes of these lawsuits could significantly impact BBAI's reputation and operational capabilities. If found liable, the company could face hefty financial penalties. affecting profitability and investor confidence. Consequently, this could lead to a prolonged decrease in stock valuation as investors reassess their positions in light of the ongoing legal challenges. Overall, the unfolding legal landscape represents a critical juncture for BigBear.ai and its shareholders. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright awarded BBAI a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright also assigned BBAI a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given this stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. However, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being positioned above the short-term average. Should there be a decline, support is expected around $2.89 and $3.01. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last trading day, even as prices rose, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Close attention should be paid to this stock. Some negative signals have also emerged, likely affecting short-term developments. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, with a decline of 63.5% observed so far. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence. Buy signal. Pivots. Sell signal. 51 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal. 114 days ago. Short-term moving average. Buy signal. 6 days ago. Long-term moving average. Buy signal. 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal. 41 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average. Buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average. Sell signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 24 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings has established support at $3.53, a level that may present a buying opportunity as we can anticipate an upward reaction when this support is tested. The stock is subject to significant daily fluctuations reflected in its high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Bands, this stock is deemed high risk. Over the past day, it experienced a movement of 410 cents between its high and low points, translating to a change of 12.13%. In the past week, the daily average volatility has been around 12.7%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's first review some important fundamental data. We begin with the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This vital statistic compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may point to inadequate profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy. In other updates, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. The consensus estimates from analysts are at -6 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $4.12. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $3.53. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider transactions. On the 8th of April, 2025, Pangium Ultimate Holdings, LLC executed an insider sale of 27,430,402 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond made an insider purchase of 125,284 shares of common stock. On the same day, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider purchase of 151,442 shares of common stock. On that same date, Blankenship Carolyn also executed an insider sale of 18,135 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Peffer Julie made an insider purchase of 146,853 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 93.766. In total, insiders acquired 2,525,089 shares and sold 145,080,800 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.38, reflecting a decrease of 5.26%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which presents a considerable risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 50 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of April, we expect BigBear.ai Holdings to open higher by 1 cent and begin trading at $3.58. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.